The main giveaways that I enjoyed, the successes of this, was to be involved in the training. The training being made to be financially prepared to get financing. A lot of it was missed. It was not there at the business, and through the training we were able to gain some information. Another information was to learn about the various offerings that financing offerings that they do have to develop small businesses. And the third one, the case assess, was the minister's ability to listen to our concerns, to able to research and know how to deal with our concerns.
The other thing that the model is doing, to revise the policy that will help us to go through now. And the perspective now for the SASEXI, and that now we have the right now, and we have the ability, and we have the power, the empowerment to go to the finances institution for the loan. The
main takeaways that I will take are in terms of challenges that we faced. It was the fact that it was too short. Sometimes they would come and address. I guess it's the nature of collecting information. On that, I feel like just focusing on financing alone was not good enough, because we have other major problems which impact financing, so which I feel like they have to be looked after, they have to be looked at in order for us to be ready for financing. Because as they said, majority of businesses, they do not have the requirements that are needed to get the financing. The money is there. So I guess one of the challenges that they have to go to the future is to make sure to identify what exactly is the problem that makes us unable to access the finance.